Now let's move to houses. Fox 4's Calvin Lewis continues our team coverage with a look at how long we may be looking at sky-high home prices.
Probably 2 months after COVID had hit, it has just exploded.
It doesn't take much to realize the housing market in Cape Coral is booming. Plots of land, houses being constructed, homes for sale, demand is high.
Homes that, let's say they were $350 a year ago, well, there's a lot of people that are interested in that price range, and so in that price range, there's almost nothing available. So we're seeing multiple offers pretty consistently, almost across all price ranges.
Frank Earhart is a broker associate with John R. Wood Properties in the Cape. He says right now that demand is causing plenty of competition when it comes to buying a home.
If you look at the past year in Cape Coral alone, the average home went from a price of $352,000 to $465,000. So in 12 months, that's a 32% increase, which is just phenomenal.
And if you're not in a bidding war for a home, having one built is just as difficult. Resources have been few and far between. Labor shortages, supply chain issues, it all stems from the COVID-19 pandemic, and it's requiring time and patience of potential home owners. Earhart says most builders are quoting 18 to 24 months right now to build new homes from start to finish. Before COVID, that number was nearly halved, taking 10 to 12 months.
The builders don't know what's going to be a problem yet, but they know they're going to probably run into something between the time that the contract signed and the time they finish the house. So they're trying to be conservative with their estimates. So if they tell you 24 months and they finish at 22, most people aren't going to be too unhappy with you.
It seems that as we alleviate one point of pressure, another pops up.
Dr. Shelton Weeks is the Lucas Professor of Real Estate at Florida Gulf Coast University. He says without the catch-up from new home construction, we're likely to continue seeing an upward trend in home prices.
If we're going to continue on this growth path that we're currently enjoying, we've got to figure out how to bring more housing to the market.
And with more people viewing Southwest Florida as a place to raise a family rather than a vacation getaway, demand is only going to go up. The issue of bringing more affordable housing to the market, as Dr. Weeks says, must be solved.
While it's hard to say exactly what home prices are going to do, I think this is something that we're going to have to keep an eye on if we want to be able to sustain the level of growth that we're working towards in our local economy.
In Cape Coral, Calvin Lewis, Fox 4.
Well, we want you to know that Fox 4 is committed to getting you answers and showing you solutions to afford living here in Southwest Florida. You can find all of our coverage right now when you go to fox4now.com.